While work in another part of Onalaska is wrapping up, demolition of the old Braund Lumber building on Highway 35 was completed today. The project began on Monday. Today, crews put the finishing touches on the project by removing the building's foundation. The demolition is the last phase of the long-term plan to develop Onalaska's waterfront.
Having this start the redevelopment as well as the Great River Landing project, we really hope to create some new enthusiasm, some new destinations for our Highway 35 downtown area.
Plans are still being made on what will go on the old Braund site.